Hello guys, good afternoon. I'm actually going to unbox Sarah's gift to me since it's quarantine and we cannot go out and most of the barber shops are closed. So we decided to buy this hair trimmer. How much you buy it for?
200,
Yeah, it's around 250 dirhams.
something like that.
So it's so what do we have here? So let's unbox. Okay, Carrefour, guys, we buy from Carrefour. So the lady says there. Actually, I'm rooting for Braun kasi it's either Philips or Braun. I checked the reviews for this. They actually say it's good, one of the top one when it comes to hair trimming and also for the beard. Since hindi naman ganun kakakapal ang beard ko, hindi naman ako like locals or Arab people. I'm gonna use it mostly for my hair. Okay, so let's unbox. Okay, what we have here, good. So, the charger, of course. Oh, there's a shave Gillette. This is nice. It's actually expensive. Yes. This one costs maybe around roughly around 30 to 40 grams.
Okay.
Ang ganda tong blade na to. Doon pa lang ang ball niya. So, let's reveal what's more inside. So what do we have is the machine itself, okay, trimmer, and it's adjustable. The lady said it's by half-inch adjustable. As you can see, guys, by half-inch siya. So ang ganda nito. Talagang masusunod kung yung gusto mo talagang trim sa buhok mo or to your beard, especially when you want to style for the beard. So yan. Ayan. So, adjustable. That's it. And it comes with the changeable, adjustable, or what do you have? What do you call that? Ito para sa size ng ng gusto mo kung how many ang gagamitin.
How long ba?
Yung
How
thick
long?
kasi yun eh.
Thick ng stone hair.
From 0 millimeter to, yan, 0 siya. So 1, 2, half inch, and as you can see, guys, it grows up. Yeah, the more it grows up, so the more thicker
Yung higher, thicker.
thicker. Then the more lesser, the more thicker. Hindi 0 yung 1 yan. Kasi ang 0 it's gonna be like this. 0 is gonna be like this. So ito yung 0. Okay? So Braun kasi actually maganda talaga Braun kasi it's Germany German product.
Electronics ba yung Braun na yan?
Silo, wait. There's another one. It is actually used for the edges. Ito yung mga sa edges yung ganyan, mga rounds.
Okay.
Ayan, ito
Okay.
yung dapat natin i-use for the edges.
Okay.
Okay? And the blades, this blade are lifelong. So ganun sila.
What does it mean like so?
Yung sharpness niya.
Okay.
Hindi mo na siya kailangan you don't need to sharpen them or like
Ihasa, kumbaga,
ayan.
like that.
You don't need to sharpen them. So it's okay. Sarah will take what do you call it, trim to my hair. So for this, they said it's 0.5 millimeter step sizes to 39 length settings. So yun nga, lifetime sharp blades, sorry. And then auto sensing, nag-a-adjust yung razor niya. How thick is the hair? Will automatically adjust yung once na sense niya na thick yung hair mo, it will automatically gives more power to the so that it can cut more hair. So that's great. Tapos, ganda nito is 1 hour lang full charge na siya. And one more thing is, kaya ako rin siya binili, is you can use it while charging it. Because yung previous ko na trimmer, is hindi mo siya pwedeng gamitin when it's for some
Charge.
time to get charged.
And
And then that's
then,
not the only time you remove it from the charger and you use it. But unlike this one, this is much better since you can use it while charging. So that's the good thing with this. So that's why that's why I use this one. And it's fully washable. So fully washable. So so you can slide. Yeah, you have to slide lang, guys, whenever you want to change the blade. You have to just slide it like this. Slide it up like this, going up. So we can change it to the one that I'm telling you. So this is the one. Yeah. So this is the one for the round, like the cuts round the corners. Ito yung use. Okay. And the one for like when you want to put a style. Ito yung dapat ganun. So yan, guys. So we'll just see how it works. Yeah, this is a brush. A brush you just normally use here or here. But since nga na washable, so you just directly wash it. That's what the lady told me. So you just directly wash it to the so that's it. So let's see, guys. Let's charge it and see how it works. I think it's good now. Okay, Sheila, wait. No. Let's see, guys, how it works, okay?
so guys, ako ang barbero ngayon. Ni Marlon yung
We're always the barbero.
It's my second time.
Yeah,
This is the second time, yeah.
yeah. The first time was when they were in the other room.
So,
Ganda nito, guys.
ito panalo, guys. Gupit artista. Ang tinatawag na guys, mohawk. Usong-uso to nung mga kapanahonan ni Sarah.
Excuse me.
Yung mga punk rock before 1980s. Yan.
Hindi ka sa
By the way, guys, we made a video a while ago about a new challenge. Make sure you check it out. Mommy, can you link it in the description?
Sure.
My mom will link it in the description so you guys can watch it.
No, I'm going to make another vlog for that one.
So this is how it happens when quarantine is
When you're bored in quarantine but you have nothing.
So actually, guys, I saved around 780 dirhams now from last month. Since Sarah is the one trimming my hair.
Yeah, you should let mommy trim your hair than just using your money for.
I know.
It looks weird.
It looks weird.
Which one is weird?
Your hair.
Why?
It's going to your necklace.
Nice.
Yeah. Sarcasm.
Shilo, Madi, come here. Alright?
Yeah.
Nice?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So guys,
Show siya ka.
hindi pa dito.
Hindi pa mahal tapos. Removing the hair.
That's a lot of hair. Why does Daddy's hair grow so fast?
Yeah.
Because I think about every day. Laila. Oh. Di ba? Sasagalin mo. Walang problema yan. Kasi ano naman graded naman may level naman, hindi naman lalagpas yun.
Ang mahal.
Oh. Ayun. Oo, huwag kang matakot ibigay. Ayun. Okay na guys.
Ito ilalim, mahal.
Ano yung lalim?
Ilalim pa
Which
siya.
lalim?
Yung mga buko dito.
Yung corners, ang gamitin mo yung ano, kaso zero yun ha.
Oo.
Dali mo lang mabuti. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new to our channel, please press the subscribe button so you get notified whenever we get new video. And please like and share as well. Thank you.